Now I'll show you how you can change the size of the standard shapes that are offered in PowerPoint and adjust their form according to your needs. Let's choose a circle. In order to have it in a regular form, hold Shift on your keyboard while you are changing its size. I'll remove the outline. Now I'll choose another shape and change its form by dragging this yellow dot. In order to make even more adjustments, click on it with the right button of your mouse and choose Edit Points. You can add or delete as many points as you wish, but I'll add just one. And now by dragging these points, you can change the form of your shape as you wish. I'll remove outline and change its color to white. And I'll create the symbol for my new logo. Let's say I want it to look like this. Now I have two shapes that look like one shape, but we know that actually there are two shapes. Therefore, I'll select both of them, and then I'll go to Combine and choose Shape, Subtract. And I have created a new shape. Now I'll insert text box and write the business name and increase font size. When you have finished, select all objects and group them by pressing Ctrl-G on your keyboard. In the case you cannot find the Combine function on your PowerPoint toolbar or ribbon, read the instructions in the next lecture.